All right, we're here at day 45, Casa de Malouff. I missed yesterday's day 44 for Robert Newhouse. So today is the LG Dupree, played in the 60s, way back in the day. So we're going to make our way around the house today. We're just going to look at it. We got a couple things to look at here in the car house. Is getting, we should make it Ava's car house, but we'll just go from there. Anyways, I got to get a box to start putting together some of these tiles that's going to be returned. But we're going to walk around today. Whoops, let me get my tape and my little camera holder thing, selfie sticky thing. And I'm going to inspect the tiles. I did a little bit of inspection yesterday when the guy was here. As you see, wherever you see the blue tapes, the tile needs correcting. So I'm going to go through each piece of tile step by step and do a little inspection. So they've already done it, but maybe they might have missed something or something to not my satisfaction. So that's what we're going to do today, and that's the only thing we're going to do today here at the house. Now, back at the other house, I'm going to take some time to organize and hopefully clean up the garage. So I may have you come and join me with doing that. So we'll see. But as you see, the backyard is still a mess. Oh, since I'm back here, I might as well grab that box. So they have a lot to do next week. Next week is going to be a very short week for me, not for them, for me. So next week, I'm going out of town on the Thursday, so you might get a couple videos. You might get a couple videos Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, maybe a half video on Thursday. But there's still a lot to do on the outside. We still got to put all the roof up here in the patio. Finish up the roof on the attic part there on the roof outside. Put in the siding, the caulking, paint, all the lights, electrical switches, electrical outlets, repaint patio, fix all kinds of stuff. So there's a lot of things that they still have to do, which they're going to get done. And the shed, of course, don't forget about the shed. So we're looking at hopefully 2 weeks for completion. Well, during that 2 weeks time, I'm actually going to be traveling. So there's not going to be any video of what they're doing until I return. So you're just going to have to suck it up and wait till I get back. It is what it is. All right, so anyways, let's start in the master bedroom. We'll do some inspecting. All right. So basically, all I'm doing is just, sliding, seeing how bad tile isn't even. Some of it, like right here, it's just minute, so I'm not going to worry about it. But if it's high enough where I can't basically slide my shoe over it, then like that, that's fine, not gonna worry with that. But if I can't slide my shoe past it, then that's going to be a problem. When you're barefooted, And I'm sure this is probably very common in a lot of places when they put in tile. My bed's probably going to go right here. That's not too bad. That's not too bad. That's good. All right. Master bedroom's done. I'm comfortable with that. Let's go see what we got in the hallway here. They already did. Pantry looks pretty good. They did good in the pantry. All right, let's go. The main living room. I'll put you over in the corner here. Hopefully you can see everything what I'm doing. So I'll start over here. I don't know if you can see this. I mean, I can really see that makes a big difference. That's not too bad. Most of the kitchen area is going to be covered up with cabinetry and all that. I mean, this is going to be a very small kitchen, really. Very, very small between the sink counters and then the stove. Only like about a foot and a half to walk between. Really not much to go through. It's a small house. Alright, they already marked these, so I'm not going to worry about that. Not bad. You can pretty much see that it's level. You can tell when it's not. You can see there that's really easy to understand. We already know that. Alright, the living room and dining room looks, living room, dining room, kitchen, all looks to be pretty good. See how my foot still goes past it? That's acceptable to me. That's acceptable. Okay, let's go to the office. Check the office. Now they've already been in here because we got the mark right there next to the door. Okay, office is good. I'm happy. I gotta see how this thing is video. I don't even know if you're watching what I'm doing. You walk me watching around, you don't even see what I'm doing. Let's do the open zoom. There you go. Don't you love my amateur video? That was already to replace the I don't need to put tape on it. Alright. Spare bedroom looks good. Okay, let's do the hallway. I can see a couple spots already in the hallway. I'll show you that. So So I can't get my foot past it. But this one's already been taped off. Take that one. That's not too bad, but I think when they fix that, they'll fix that. That's not too bad. That's bad. I don't know. Maybe. Maybe. That's a 50-50 on that piece right there. And 50-50 on this piece right here. Okay, let me do the bathroom. I already got some visitors, man. I'm gonna have to start charging rent. Look at this. I got visitors already. Look at that. Trying to make themselves at home. Don't worry, he's doused with boric acid, so he's gonna die soon. The boric acid will kill him. Okay, so that was it for the house today. Let me mark this one more time. Hold on. Okay, so let's lock this up. With my professional locker thing here. I don't know how the hell he did that last time. Anyways, they're going to fix that. Don't worry. It's going to be replaced. Oh, I want to put a bucket by that door. That door's not secure. Okay, so that's it for now. We'll see what we do at the house, the other house, and go from there. Bye for now. Oh yeah, if this is the end of the video, thanks for watching. Day number 45. But I don't think it will be. I'll do something at the other house. So we'll just keep it going. All right, bye for now. Okay, so this is actually going to conclude day 45 over at a different house. This is the house that I have to clean out the garage. I have to clean out everything and pack. This is the house that I'm living in right now. So I tore apart the pallet, which I'm going to use all the wood. See, all the pieces for the new shed. So I can make shelves and racks and all kinds of stuff. So maybe tomorrow I'm going to tear apart and take down that rack, take down the shelves, take down these shelves, take them over there, and reuse them over there. So that's it for now. I guess thanks for watching. Thanks for watching me tear things apart. And tomorrow's 46. A whole new day, one day closer. All right. Well, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, all the other fun stuff you want to do. Talk to you later.